Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here, back with another box break. Today I'm going to be doing a blaster box of the new 2016 Bowman Platinum Baseball. Not a very easy product to come by. This is a retail exclusive. There is also a hobby collector's box, which is also retail only. I think the collector boxes are exclusively through Walmart. But yeah, I'll get the wrap off here and show you guys the odds. So, 2016 Bowman Platinum Baseball. The format is 8 packs with 4 cards per pack, 7 regular packs, and 1 bonus pack of exclusive parallels. So let's get to it. I'll show you guys the odds. You can pause that if you want. Here we go. Oh, security device just totally flew out of the box and is now stuck to the desk. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay. Okay, we'll do the exclusive pack first. No odds on here. Alright, starting off good, Chris Bryant, David Wright, Amir Garrett, and Alex Verdugo. Pretty nice looking. Ice parallels. Alrighty. First regular pack. These are pretty nice looking. Josh Donaldson, Aaron Nola, Alex Bregman, and Alex Reyes. NGP, Bowman's Next Generation Prospects, Bregman. Odds of an auto are pretty slim, 1 in 105. Let's see if we can get one though. AJ Pollock, Carlos Rodon, Edwin Encarnacion, and Cornelius Randolph. These are a pretty nice foil board. Always been a fan of the designs for Bowman Platinum. Jake Arrieta, Jameson Taillon, Sean Manaea, Next Generation insert, I believe that's an insert, and Brendan Rodgers. Will Myers, Sean Manaea, D. Gordon, it's a Arizona Fall League card, and Kevin Padlow. Three packs left. Cole Hamels, Brian McCann, Tyler Glasnow, and Joe Musgrove. And the Glasnow is a Platinum Presence. Not sure the odds on that. Check real quick. One in 11. Tyler White, Kenta Maeda, Caleb Cowart, Next Generation, and Ariel Hirado. And last pack. Carl Edwards Jr., Freddie Freeman, Robert Stevenson, and David Denson. So, man, no parallels. A couple of inserts. And that is all she wrote. I don't think there were any parallels in here. I believe there are short prints. I would not know them right away. I'd have to look up the checklist. But, man. No parallels, no numbered, nothing. It's kind of a bummer. Just a pretty basic blaster, I guess. Only one they had. About a few inserts, and that is all she wrote. And then the parallels here for ice. But there you go. Alrighty, that is a blaster box of 2016 Bowman Platinum Baseball.